Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to MK Academy. In this video, I am going to tell you the best online jobs without any investment. Work online is a new trend and it's here to stay. Remote jobs are more popular than ever before, and work from home is no more considered a part time job. Remote or online jobs pay better, and you can get to save the time, money, and effort of traveling to the office every day. If the thought of having an online jobs make you happy, then it's the perfect time for you because I'm going to tell you the amazing online jobs from home without any investment. The first one is social media marketing. I'm sure everyone enjoys social media content, but have you ever wondered who is behind this and how does content reaches you? The answer is social media marketing. With social media marketing, you can create posts, target the right audience, and increase your viewership. You could be an individual running a page for cause, trying to create your brand awareness, or even freelancing for other people by running their pages. You could earn money through product promotion, collaborations, or by establishing your audience and becoming an influencer. Here are the 5 online courses for social media marketing. Social media certification by HubSpot, social media advertising by University of Colorado Boulder Coursera, social media marketing course by eMarketing Institute, strategical social media marketing by Boston University edX, free social media analytics course by Quintly Academy. The next one is you can start your YouTube channel. Most of us have used YouTube for one reason or another, and now is the best time to get behind the wheels and share our talents by becoming the YouTubers. Being the most superior platform for streaming content from all walks of the life, YouTube lets you create video for free. If done right, you can earn anything between rupees 50,000 to rupees 50 lakh every month. Some of the best ways to make money from the channel are collaboration with other established YouTubers, offering products and services, getting sponsors to make your channel profitable, affiliate product productions, YouTube partner program. The next online job you can do is the freelancing. What? What if I told you that you can explore different horizons in your life, work on several projects, fit for your skill set, and get paid based on odds and projects? You can get all this by becoming a freelancer. Freelancer is a lucrative career option gaining relevance by the minute. You can work online from home and get paid for your skills. As a freelancer, you can get to work on projects of all kinds, both domestic and international, which can help you build an impressive portfolio. Monetarily speaking, you can get paid by hourly, which means the salary you draw is in your hands. The more time you spend working, the more you can earn. The several jobs, websites, and platforms you can choose for freelancing are Upwork, Truelancer, Fiverr, Freelancer, Youth for Work, Freelance India, on contract, no working nomads. The other online jobs I'm going to tell you is graphic designing. Graphic designing is another online job from home that needs almost no investment, just some skills and eye for creating unique designs. Business are always the outlook for the people to design their brand collaterals and content. While many companies have in-house graphic designers, some resort to outsourcing all their design needs to freelancers. To get a good graphic designing gig, you need to make a portfolio of your work and have knowledge of Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Canva, etc. The next online job is blogging. You can become a blogger. Anyone who possesses the art of writing has a blog of their own. For starters, you can choose a niche and cover everything related to it to build your content. The best way to go about it is to search Google Trends for trending things in your area of interest and find keywords using keyword density or search volume. Google Keyword Planner can help you with it. The next thing you do is to make your blog. You can go for a simple blog for no money or choose professional blog for a small amount. Websites like WordPress, Host, GoDaddy, etc. allow you to make your pick and build your blog easily. Now that you have done the writing part, the most crucial part is getting traffic to your blog. The first thing you need to do is choose a strategy. Decide if you want to use keywords and go for search engine optimization to get your blog to rank, or whether you want to spend some money on search engine marketing and advertise your services and products. You can also start talking about your blogs on social media platforms. After monetization, whenever someone clicks on the ads through your blogs, you can get paid for it. The next online job is online task. You can do online tasks. Many may not know this, but several online tasks work as online jobs for home without investment. These jobs are temporary and pay people on contractual basis. The contract is no longer than a few days. You don't need any specific skill or knowledge to land these online tasks, which make it easier to earn money. Some of these simple tasks are online assignments, surveys, app testings, and increased downloads of certain apps. The next online job is virtual teaching. Virtual or online teaching is one of the best online jobs from home without investment. It did seem impossible earlier, but post COVID-19, virtual teaching seems to be the new thing. Classrooms are now online, and with the education industry growing, the demand of virtual teachers is at an all time high. To land a job, you can either visit online tutoring websites like these mentioned. The next online job you can do is data entry job. If you are not sure what skills you possess, simple jobs like data entry are a great option for you, as all it needs is proficiency in English language and fast typing speed. Data entry jobs are the best option among online jobs from home without any investment, as you can earn a decent amount of money from home. And that's all. If you like the video, click on like, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much.